Hello and welcome to my home. Today we're going to make an arugula salad with a honey mustard dressing. It's very simple to do, it's not complicated. And this is arugula that I actually picked from my own container garden. And speaking of container garden, I want to let you know the other types of videos on my channel. I do various vegetable container growing videos that shows how to grow different vegetables in different types of containers. I do product reviews, meditation videos, and other easy to do recipes. Alright, let's go ahead and make that salad. Here's the arugula that I picked from my garden. I washed it and I put it in my salad spinner to get off the excess moisture. And you want to get that excess moisture off because it can dilute or water down the dressing you want to put over it. If you don't have a salad spinner, use a clean dish towel or even paper towel and dab at the leaves until you get it nice and dry. Let's start by making the dressing first. It's a very simple dressing. We're going to do 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil. This is extra virgin olive oil. A tablespoon of just regular prepared yellow mustard. And we're going to add some sweetness to this. Now this sweetness will help balance out the mustard and the kind of, I want to say mustardly flavor of the arugula as well. So we're going to start with 1/2 teaspoon of just regular honey. We're going to blend it up and see if we need to adjust anything in there. And that's what you want it to do. It's an emulsion. It emulsifies and everything comes together to make a creamy little sauce. So let me taste it. You need to taste things as you go along because maybe I need to add something. I think that's pretty good to go. I'm going to squirt just a little bit more honey in there. Now if you want, you can add some pepper. I don't think it needs any salt. The mustard adds a nice saltiness to it as it is. So let me clean this up a little bit. We're going to start arranging our salad in a nice little plate. I have 1/2 of a chopped onion, just roughly chopped, or you can make it finely chopped if that's how you prefer it. We're going to put some Parmesan cheese. This is just regular grated Parmesan cheese. Going to add a nice yellow mango. These are called yellow mangoes. They're also referred to as champagne mangoes. They are so delicious. If you can find those, use that. If not, use the regular mango you find in the grocery store. So let's go ahead. Look at all that arugula. It's beautiful. Sprinkle the onions on as you would like. And I am going to go ahead and slice and chop up the mango. Now mangoes has this really big seed in the middle of it, and you'll see that if you've never sliced into a mango, you really are going to be cutting around the seed to get the flesh. So I'm just peeling it right now. Right there, that's a big old seed. You can probably see the seed. Can you see that in the middle there? Try to give you a shot. And then you're just kind of cutting off the rest of the flesh. Now what I like to do is I like to nibble off of that later, so that's going to be my little treat right there. Don't tell nobody. And I'm going to slice it lengthwise first. And just do a rough chop going the other direction. It doesn't have to be precise. This is going to be beautiful. So let me show you what I'm doing. You just sprinkle it over the salad. Nothing complicated. I think salads is probably one of the quickest, easiest things that you can make for yourself and your family. Look at that. Now we're going to sprinkle some Parmesan cheese, and you're going to sprinkle that to your liking. Let me give you a closer shot of that before I get the dressing on there. Okay, let's drizzle some of that salad dressing on there. Now you may have to mix it up a little bit more if it separates, but now you may like a lot of dressing on your, then you can just double the recipe, triple the recipe, have some for later. If you make a lot of dressing, you can put it in one of those jars with the top on it and seal it up. Put it in your refrigerator for a few days. And there you have it. A nice fresh arugula salad, honey mustard dressing with mangoes and onions and some Parmesan cheese. Now that's a big, nice entree for one person, but this will easily feed 4 people as a side dish. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Also consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell. Well, that's it for now. Bye bye.